Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. This is going to be a beginner henna design for the hand. As you can see, it is only going to a little bit above the wrist, so I feel like this size is perfect for any beginner. I didn't make it too complicated or anything like that, so I feel like any beginner henna artist can follow along with this video and hopefully learn a little bit about composition. As you can see, I'm starting from the wrist area. So I always like to start farthest away from myself and then work in towards myself. That way your hands, as you can see, I'm kind of resting them on her hand. That way you're not going to mess up any of the henna because it is wet for a while. I think that is one of the hardest parts about learning how to do henna, is learning how not to smudge the design that you've already done. That can be a little challenging, and don't worry if you do kind of smudge it. You can always just kind of wipe it off and then start over again. That's a common question that I get a lot from people. People always ask, what will I do if they mess up? And if you get it early enough, then the henna's not really going to stain. So if you do end up smudging a little bit, or if the person that you're doing it on smudges it, which sometimes that's the case, you can always just wipe it off. I usually just use my nails, to be honest, or the tip of my comb, just to kind of scrape off the smudged part and then just start over again. Sometimes it'll look a little bit orange underneath, but that is totally fine. It doesn't really stain if it's only been on for a few minutes, up to like 10 minutes. You should be fine. Moving on though, as you can see, now I'm moving in to the hand area, and my friend here, her name is Ritu, she wanted something just kind of simple and with some negative space, so that's kind of what I'm doing. So first I am just kind of adding these little, what I like to call scallops, to the design, and as you can see, I'm doing now thick ones. So this is something that I find is very important when learning how to do your own designs, is learning how to vary from thick to thin elements. So I always call it, it's kind of like sandwiching design elements together. So you don't want to do everything the same line width, you want to have some variation. So as you can see here, I'm doing some thin lines, and then I'm going to be doing those thick little leaves there. And I just find that, just oscillating, if you can try to remember this as you're creating your own designs, is a little bit of thin and a little bit of thick, and this will really help your designs pop and stand out nicely. So like I said, this is my friend Ritu, and this footage was actually done during Diwali, and that was in, I believe, October, November. Oh my gosh, this year has gone by so fast. I can't even remember honestly like what day it is sometimes. But yes, so this was for Diwali, and I was super happy that she was able to come over. Of course, yes, with masks on and everything. But yeah, so it was just really nice to get together with her for such a special time, and I got to do some henna for her. And she's also a henna artist actually here in San Diego, and we met some years ago and we became good friends ever since, and I just love her so much. So I was really happy when she asked me to do her mehndi, and I'm really glad that I was able to film it for you guys. So I know it's a little bit late since Diwali was quite a while ago, but I do hope that you guys really like this video. I know it has been such a long time since I have actually done, or rather edited, a YouTube video for you guys. I know I always go through these little bits of filming and posting, and then bits of not doing it for a while. So it is the end of the year, and I am hoping to film more for you guys. So as always, I'm always keeping your suggestions. I have like a little notes section in my phone where I have a lot of your ideas, and I really do hope to get to them as soon as I can. I know last year when everything shut down, I was able to do a lot of filming. So usually the first, few months of the year, in the beginning of the year, a little bit more slow until summer, of course, or rather spring hits. Then things kind of speed up again. So I hope to film some more informational videos for you guys in the next couple of months. So do leave your suggestions down below, and I really hope that you liked this design, and I hope you get to try it out. And if you do, as always, I always love to see your recreations when people tag me on Instagram or TikTok. So definitely I would love to see if you guys do try this out. And again, as always, if you have any questions, leave them down below. And I love you guys so much. I hope you all have a wonderful new year and many blessings to 2021, which is about to be upon us. And yes, I love you guys so much. Enjoy this video and have a beautiful day.